There are two industries that are competing with each other within the optometric field. One is the laser vision correction industry, and the other one is the lens manufacturing industry. And I mean contact lenses and spectacle lenses, the lenses that are in your glasses. There's a lot of new technology in order to make these lenses better. They perform better than they used to, they're lighter than they used to be, and they're thinner than they used to be. Besides the technology in the lenses, there's also technology in coatings and tints that are specific for certain people living certain lifestyles. So when you go in and buy a pair of glasses, it's like going into a car dealership. If you don't know that you need a sports car, you might walk out with an SUV. If you don't know what you need with your glasses, that's why you come to Jade Optical on Doral Boulevard, because we have experts here that are trained in the guidance of picking the proper lenses, coatings, and tints for your specific need.